girl, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead on and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like this video. I promise you're gonna love me, and if not, watch another video and I promise I love you, so just love me. So I'm going to show you guys my realistic wash day routine. Now this is something that I'm doing every week. So like I pick Sundays or Saturdays and I like to do this every week. So it's just something to do for your everyday girl. So I like to start off by soaking my hair with water, and it's just like when you about to brush your teeth and then you put your toothpaste on it and then you run it through the water and then you brush your teeth. That's what I'm doing to my hair. If you don't run your toothbrush through the water at any point before you brush your teeth, like, you crazy. You a little psycho, huh? It's all right, I'm not going to the body. So I am just wetting my hair just to get it going. Like let's start it up, get it moist. Do y'all like that word? Yo. So I'm starting off with shampoo, and I'm using the Miracle Moist Ozzy Moist shampoo and conditioner line. And y'all, I love expensive stuff, but I'm never going to shy away from my inexpensive things, if that makes sense. Like, I definitely love to be bougie on a budget, and I like to get, I like to have luxury things. But this, if it ain't broke, I ain't fixing it. You feel me? And this stuff works. Yes, it's $5. Yes, it's at the drugstore and you go to the Walmart to get it, but it works. You get what I'm saying? So this is the stuff I like to use. And like I said, this video is a realistic video. So I don't always have the good stuff on hand, and I don't always have the money to buy the good stuff. So this is what I like to use, and it works. It doesn't leave my hair super clean and squeaky, if that makes sense. It is clean. Don't get me wrong. It is clean, but it doesn't make it feel stripped, if that makes sense. Like, I don't like the stripped feeling. I like the clean feeling, but not the stripped feeling. So this is me just shampooing my hair. Y'all know how to shampoo y'all hair? Just shampoo it and scrub it real good. Scrub your scalp. Scrub everything. But yes, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what I'm actually doing, because on a day-to-day basis, or like just your everyday girl, we don't always have time to be doing X, Y, and Z, sitting under the dryer. Like, I love to sit under the dryer, and I think that definitely works, but I only feel like I should do that when my hair is in desperate need. You know what I'm saying? Because like right now, I just shampooed it and look at it. Wow. The curls, magnificent. Talk to me. And like I said, my hair is clean from just by me doing this routine every week, that is not super dirty. So here is my hair up close after just the shampoo, and the curls are popping, but look at these ends. I wanted to show y'all what my damaged hair looks like now. Be it that I dyed it a couple times and I got it cut, and as you see, it's been, damaged. So this is what your girl is working with, y'all. And if y'all got any tips for me or anything to retain length, let me know. I'm doing my regimen, so that's what I'm gonna stick to. But next up, I'm gonna use the same line, but just the conditioner version of this line. And I love this conditioner. I feel like I normally just use it to detangle my hair, so it's not really to do anything. It does leave it moisturized, but it's really to give it slip so I can detangle my hair, because my hair been in that bush, that ponytail, for a whole week straight. So it's time to like detangle it and get it all from being kinked up all week long. And I like to add water to the conditioner, just because it gives so much more slip. If y'all haven't tried it, definitely try adding more water or doing your hair on soaking wet hair so you can feel the different slip. Even when you're styling your hair, try to do it on soaking wet hair and watch the difference. It feels so good. But I am just going into finger detangle first, just to make sure I can run my fingers through it before I go in with this brush, basically. And I love to detangle my hair with this brush. It's a staple piece in my shower. Like, it sits in the shower with me, because this is what I need. I cannot get out of the shower without combing my hair. And this is my favorite part, y'all. It shows the curls and the bounce back, and you see what I'm saying. Like, it looks amazing. But as you see, my hair is more damaged in the front, simply because I have more bleach dyed blind ends on the front. So the back necessarily doesn't have as much blind as the front. And as you can see, I just want to cut that off. I'm gradually cutting my hair off, so I'm not going to cut that off because I don't want it to look weird as it's growing out. But I'm definitely going to soon cut all of that off, and I won't have no more blind ends. But look at the back. Waves on swim, so they hit on him. Y'all, my hair looks so healthy. I love it. I can't wait till all my hair look like that. So now I'm just going to rinse that out. And now, since my hair is thoroughly applied with the conditioner, I'm going to rinse that out, and you don't have to fully rinse all of this out if you don't want to. If you leave some in, it's fine, because you're going to go in with a deep conditioner, so it really don't matter. But I'm just going to take my time to rake my hands through it and just try my best to get as much as the conditioner out, because I want my hair to absorb my deep conditioner and not really the conditioner. But either way it go, it don't really matter. I'm just ODing at this point. But yes, y'all, this is what I am doing, and this is what my hair looks like after a conditioner. And as you see, my front hair is really looser than the back. Like, look at the back, y'all. Wow, that is beautiful, right? I can't wait till all my hair look like that. That looks so good. So next up is my Olaplex, y'all. Y'all know I love Olaplex. I was introduced to this last year, and I've been using it ever since then. And this is my second bottle. So last year when I first bought it, I just finished it, and this is my second bottle here. And as you see, I just started using it. And so I love this product. I like to wet my hair first because that's what the instructions say. And then I like to go in with this product. And they probably tell you to wet it because it's so concentrated. So definitely wet your hair first, because if you use too much, or like if you use it too much, it can actually break your hair off. And that's so weird to say that deep conditioner could break your hair off, but it can. Because you have it stripped, I guess. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not a hairstylist. But I hear that you can mess around and destroy your hair. But anyway, I'm using that as well as the Intense Hydration Mask from Shea Moisture. And y'all, this stuff smells so good. Like, dog, it smells so good, and I love it. So if you don't want to go on the expensive side using an Olaplex, you can definitely use the Shea Moisture hydration, the the Intense Hydration Mask, because y'all, this product works. It feels amazing. I love to use it in conjunction with my Olaplex, just because it's like two power couples, you know what I mean? So that is why. But by all means, you do not have to use both. I'm just extra, and I'll just be doing too much, and that's what I had on hand, honestly. So that's why I was using it. And I just love, every time I do a deep conditioner, I love to get the max. So as much as I can, I'm down for it, you know what I mean? So this is me just making sure I get all of my hair and like just massage my hair in, just to open up my pores and follicles and all that cool jazz. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited for this new journey. I definitely cut my hair shorter because of the bleached and the colored hair, that I just felt like it kept breaking off. So I wanted to start over. So this was my part one of cutting my hair and getting it to this length, and I might have to do another good chop, just to fully have all full, healthy hair, and not just having little pieces left. So it eventually I'm probably gonna cut my hair again, but I'm just trying to just go with the flow. I'm dead. I look retarded, and this stuff tried to play me. But yeah, y'all, so that's kind of pretty much what I do on a realistic day. I would love to sit under the dryer if I had time, but most days I don't. I be trying to hurry up and wash my hair and style it and hurry up and let it dry for the next day. So this is what I do, and I like to put a bag over my head just to kind of trap some of that heat in my hair. And I like to get the hot water and let it run on top of my head for about 5 to 10 minutes, pretty much however long you got patience for, because I don't be having patience all the time. But this is still better than nothing. And I showed y'all this in my last video of my hair, one of my hair videos, so it's nothing new. But yes, y'all, after I take a shower, I'm ready to rinse this product out. And like I said, realistically, I don't go under the hair dryer and let it sit under there for about 30 minutes. I don't realistically do it. When I need to, I will do it, but not on an every week basis. You get what I'm saying? So that's pretty much all I do. I did try something new. I tried to do use a leave-in conditioner before I style my hair, and that's what I'm about to show y'all in a second. But comment down below if you know any really good leave-in conditioners that you can leave in your hair that mixes well with a lot of hair products, because I don't know, it was something about this product that I used that I didn't really care for. Y'all, my hair looks so good. Sorry. Wait till y'all see the back. Wait. Let's just see. Wow. That is amazing, y'all. I love my hair. Anyway, back to what I was trying to say is that after I rinse out my deep conditioner, I went in with a leave-in conditioner. And like I said, this is something new that I'm adding because I see a lot of people doing it. And I wanted to try it to see how does my hair react to it. But I feel like it's the leave-in conditioner that I tried. Y'all, the back of my hair is beautiful. I'm too busy. I can't even keep my brain thinking about what I'm trying to tell y'all because I'm looking at this. But anyway, I am going to use the, wait for it, there you go. I'm going to be using the Eden leave-in conditioner. This was my first time trying it. As y'all can see, the bottle is way to the top. But for some reason, if my hair was soft after the deep conditioner, but when I put this in it, it made my hair feel stringy. So I don't know if that was supposed to do that. I don't know if I used too much product. I don't know what I did, but I didn't really like it. So comment down below if you have any, leave-in conditioners that y'all love that works in conjunction with a lot of your natural hair products. Because, that's another thing that after I put this in, I like to put it up in a ponytail or like clip it up and then actually style my hair. I don't do nothing to it but start styling it. So I go in with the moisturizer and then I go in with like a sealing or like a gel or something, whatever I'm going to use. And that's what I do. So let me know if y'all got any tips and tricks for me and any leave-in conditioners that y'all feel like are bomb that I should try. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go style my hair and I'll see you on my next video.